Alright, so a little update on this. I've had it running today. We got like 4 panels on this thing. Anyway, it's just kind of doing its thing. Sort of hard to read. I need to find the rest of the wire and stuff that I have. But we got another battery over here, another one of these never starts, because they never start. These batteries are absolutely trash from the beginning. I have never had luck with lead acid batteries and solar. As far as these kind, these are marine deep cycle batteries. I guess they're marine deep cycle. I don't know. Anyway, are they deep cycle? Really deep cycle? Probably not. We had some just little jumper cables here. I've got some other stuff, but I don't have what I need laying around to quickly do this. So these are these goofy tiny tiger. They're probably steel wires with copper, because they bend and they stay where you put them, and that was like the big selling point on these. They're like for motorcycles and things. Anyway, we put them on here, here, and here. And we'll see what this thing's doing. I'm gonna put the other one on it and just see if it suddenly changes. Because now we've got batteries in parallel. It shows we got 0. Oh, we had like up to 3 amps for a second there. So what it's doing when it does that, that is the pulse width modulation happening. And I bet you this thing's probably bad news on the radio. But it's definitely charging it. And the load is set to just do whatever. I don't know. It's off. And there's a timer for the load too. So I don't have the plug for the temperature sensor, which I'm not really concerned about. But anyway, it's kind of a neat little PWM. Like, if you're not worried about, like, I'm over paneled, so I'm not worried about maximum efficiency. We've got 4 255 watt panels hooked to an 80 amp charge controller. 80 at 12 volts, but I should probably be like, I don't know, 400 watts or something like that. I'm not sure what this thing's capable of, but maybe it would be more. 80 is actually fairly large for a charge controller, but PWM is just not the greatest to have. But it's better than nothing. And as long as it lasts and it gets the job done, who cares? So we're going all over the place on that. And it is an A next to it, right? I seriously can't read it. Yeah, it's an A. Be nice if it showed you the voltage. So what I have it set for, if we change this here, we make this number flash, we can bump it up to 14.2. But what I found is the other one is actually wrong. I'll put it at 14.2 for now. Off the top of my head, I don't really remember what the numbers should be for lead acid. I think that would be like a float charge, equalizing charge almost. So at this charge rate, it wants to switch on and off because it's at 14.2. So that's how it works. So it is working, it's doing what it's supposed to. And if we come in here and we pull our terminal off here, we'll see that nothing's happening now, because this battery is fully charged. It's been on it all day. This one's not fully charged. So we got the meter on here. We're at 13.1 on this battery with it disconnected. Now let me see if we can shove this back in here. And nope. Yeah, we're at 14.5 on this battery. 14.4, 14.3. That's probably a little bit much to be charging this thing at, but these batteries haven't been charged in a long time. So we're going to put this back on there. And now you'll see it's pulling a few amps. So 3.5, it's charging. So that's cool. So it works. Will it catch the place on fire? Maybe. I don't know. It's definitely something you shouldn't leave unattended and go out of town with.